Get ready for a trip to Bempton Cliffs. Off we go! First stop, North Landing. It has amenities and parking. Spaces are limited though, and it can get busy during the summer months. There's a sandy beach, rock pools, clifftop walks, opportunities to birdwatch, and of course, ice cream. Next stop, Bempton Cliffs Nature Reserve. There's plenty of on-site parking, plus a visitor centre with a cafe. The towering white chalk cliffs are an impressive sight, but between April and July, they're transformed by seabirds, including puffins, gannets, kittiwakes and guillemots. Nearby grassland attracts other birds, insects, and wildlife. Accessibility is good, and there are plenty of viewpoints. The site is well worth a visit. Final destination, the seaside town of Bridlington. For fish and chips by the sea.